from DRK Institute of Science and Technology, and I am a 2025 passed out student. I joined Jspiders in April month, and my trainer Pawan sir, who taught me the basics of Java from the scratch, and he is very interactive and he encourages the students very well. And my advanced Java was taught by this Prem sir, and he explained in a very interactive way, and his understanding levels are very well. And my SQL was taught me by the Sanjay sir, and he made the SQL very easy. And from giving the mocks and grooming sessions, I built confidence and attended the interviews. And these mocks groomings made me to be more confident while attending the interviews. And I thank you for the HR ma'am, who is very patient and who encouraged in every interview, like providing and giving confidence to the students.